Hello, everyone, and welcome back to IELTS with Kashif. I'm glad you're here with us today.
And hello to all our listeners. It's always great to talk with you.
How is your day going, Kashif?
It started with sunshine and a clear blue sky, but now it looks completely different. I didn't even bring a jacket.
That's exactly what we're talking about today, the weather. It changes fast, just like our moods sometimes.
True. Weather is one of the easiest topics to start a conversation. Everyone experiences it.
Have you ever noticed even strangers talk about weather at bus stops or in queues?
Yes, because it's safe. You don't need personal information. Just saying, it's cold today is enough to start a connection.
It's like a bridge between two people before deeper conversation begins.
Exactly. I even talked to my neighbor this morning because of strong wind. That simple line opened a full conversation.
That's the power of small talk.
When the sun is out, I feel full of energy. I want to go outside, meet friends, and be active.
Same here. Sunlight makes everything feel brighter. Even cleaning feels easier on sunny days.
Really? I just want iced tea on a balcony.
And rainy days?
Rain makes me feel calm and cozy. Staying inside with a book is perfect.
Yes, cozy means warm, safe, and comfortable. Rain helps us slow down.
I also love the sound of rain. It helps me sleep.
But not when you're stuck outside without an umbrella.
Or when umbrellas break in the wind, that's the worst.
What about temperature? Hot or cold?
I prefer cold weather. Sweaters, scarves, and hot drinks.
I love heat. Beaches, ice cream, long summer days.
But extreme heat makes you tired.
True, but winter days end too early. It gets dark so fast.
Every season has its charm. Spring feels fresh and hopeful.
And autumn is beautiful with red, orange, and yellow leaves.
Each season has its own personality.
Weather also appears in English idioms.
Like under the weather?
Yes, it means feeling sick or low energy.
And it's raining cats and dogs means heavy rain, not actual animals.
Another one is a breeze, meaning something very easy.
English really loves weather expressions.
Weather can affect how we feel. Some people feel low in long winters.
That's called the winter blues. Lack of sunlight can affect mood.
That's why hobbies and positive routines are important.
Even simple things like listening to podcasts can help.
Every weather has something to teach us. Rain teaches patience, sun teaches gratitude, wind shows change.
That's a beautiful way to see it.
Imagine you're at a bus stop and it starts raining.
You might say, I hope the bus comes soon.
And the other person might respond, I forgot my umbrella.
Now you have a conversation just because of weather.
That's how English speaking starts naturally.
I once saw snow in spring. Everything was green, then suddenly white.
That must have been surprising.
Yes, nature can be unpredictable.
I once experienced a heat wave. Everything felt too hot to even walk outside.
Weather always keeps life interesting.
We've talked about weather, emotions, idioms, and conversations.
Weather is more than just sky conditions. It shapes our mood and language.
A simple habit helps. Look outside and describe the weather in English.
That's a great way to practice daily.
Every season is a chance to learn something new.
Thank you for listening to IELTS with Kashif.
Tell us in the comments, what's the weather like where you are?
Stay safe, stay warm, or stay cool.
See you in the next episode.